These are your 4.5 notes, and this is page 3. We're starting down here at number 7. Before we start, I want you to look in the middle where I've written some words in green. I have written the exact same problem. The only difference is in this bottom problem, I've put a plus. And that's going to affect how I move that 5. In this top example, it says 5, absolute value of 2a plus 7. So when I look right here in the middle between the 5 and the absolute value, I do not see add, I do not see subtract, I do not see divide, I see nothing, which tells me it's being multiplied. So that means that I need to divide. All right, even if this had been a negative 5, it would still be multiplied. I would just divide that negative. Now, the second one, it's being clearly added, it tells me. So that means I subtract 5. So be sure you look and make sure you do the right operation. Let's do 7 together now. Negative 5a, so we agree we need to move that negative 5 by division. On this side of the equation, I have 2a plus 7, the absolute value, equals negative 115 divided by negative 5 is a 23. Now, the visitors are gone from both sides of my equation, so that means now it's time to get out of jail. When I get out of jail, I have two choices. I can be a positive 23 and make good choices, or I can be a negative 23 and make bad choices. Let's solve the one on the left. Subtract 7, 2a equals 23 minus 7 is 16. Divide by 2. A equals 8. Now the easy thing about this is whatever we did in this first problem. First we subtracted 7. We do in the second problem. 2a equals negative 30. And then we divided by 2 in the first problem. So we're going to do that same thing in the second. A equals negative 15. So remember when you write your final answer, it'll be A equals squiggle, negative 15, and 8. All right. Let's do number 9 together real quick also. In number 9, I have a visitor over here, and it's this plus 3. He's visiting the jail. There's no one on the front side, but there's that plus 3. So I need that visitor to go away. So I'm going to subtract 3. 6x plus 6 equals 15 minus 3 is 12. All right, there's nobody else visiting the jail because there's no one. Oops, sorry. That's supposed to be a highlighter. There's no one on that side, and there's no one on that side. So now I need to divide this into two problems. I've got my 6x plus 6. When he gets out of jail, he can make positive, good decisions, or 6x plus 6. When he gets out of jail, he can make negative or bad decisions. Now let's solve this. Minus 6. I've got 6x equals 6. Divide by 6, x equals 1. I do the exact same steps. Subtract 6. 6x equals negative 18. Divide by 6, x equals negative 3. So my final answer would be x equals negative 3 and a 1. So use these examples. I need you to do number 8. And number 8 and number 10 on your own. Use my examples. It'll be just like that. When you finish with taking these notes and those two problems, I need you to flip over to the next page or watch this next page of the video. These are your problems I need you to solve. There's 5 problems. Each are going to have 2 answers because when you get out of jail, you can be good or you can be bad. So I need you to solve 1 through 5. Just write them on a piece of paper, work it out, write your answer, and do the 2 problems on the 3rd page of the packet. Thank you.